In this video, I'll be showing you how to use area, shape, and pie marks in Tableau. So starting with area, you're going to come down to the Q12 data, and you're going to grab intentions to stay and drag that into the rows. And then you'll select this drop-down menu and change the measure to average. And then you'll come back up to the top under employee data and select date of hire and drag that into the columns. And then you'll click this drop-down menu and select filter, and we only want data for employees that were hired after 2010, so you'll deselect all of these years, select apply and hit OK, and then you'll grab gender ID and add that to the color box under marks, and then you'll come up to the top right corner, select show me, and then find the area charts continuous. And then we can see here the blue area represents females and their average intentions to stay based on their year of hire. And then down here the orange represents males. Same thing, their average intentions to stay based on their year of hire. Okay, next I'll be showing you how to use shape. So you're going to scroll down to the Q12 data and select the 2022 Employer Net Promoter Score, and you're going to add that into your rows, and you want to click this drop-down menu, change the measure to average, and then we're going to come back up to employee data and select state and add that to our columns, and then you want to go ahead under the marks box, click on this drop-down menu and change it to shape. And then we're also going to add gender ID into the shape box. And then we can see here these circles represent females and their average employer net promoter score for the state that they're in. The boxes represent males and their average net promoter score. And then you can see those averages across all of the states. And last, I will be showing you how to use pie marks. So first we're going to select department and add that to our columns. And then for our filters box over here, you're going to go ahead and add department as well. And we want all the departments, so you'll leave that how it is. And then you'll scroll all the way to the bottom of our data and select measure names and add that to filters. And we only want the Q12 items, so you'll go ahead and deselect everything that is not those items. And click apply and then hit OK. And then we're going to go ahead and go into the marks box, click on this drop down menu and change it to pie. And then for these boxes here under marks, we're going to go ahead and add measure names to color as well as to detail. And then we're going to add measure values to the size. And then you'll scroll down in the marks box, click on the drop-down menu on measure values, and you're going to change the measure to average. And then you can see for each department their average responses to the Q12 items. And that's how you use these features in Tableau.